This week on Entertainment Recap, Spice claims Ramesh is the reason for no collaboration with Shenseea. Popcaan plead not guilty. Rick's Cafe is now open. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Dancehall artist Spice claims that producer and businessman Ramesh was the reason for not doing a collaboration with dancehall artist Shenseea on her Instagram Live to 10,000 viewers, or her besties as she calls them.
First of all, the big belly man make me not do a song with her. Because the man used to walk and badmouth me all about and talk all kind of things and say all kind of things will come back to me. So I write this so it starts from why the song never end up do, because song did for do. The song did for do.
Spice went on to say that both Shenseea and herself were rather excited to do a collaboration. Not guilty was Popcaan's plea on June 3rd at the Yaksta Traffic Court for multiple breaches under the Road Traffic Act. Breaches include riding an unlicensed motorcycle, having no valid fitness certificate, riding without a helmet, riding without insurance coverage, having no license plate on the motorcycle, failing to produce license, and riding with no side view mirror. Popcaan, whose given name is Andre Sutherland, told the judge that the motorcycle in question was not mobile at the moment. It was laying at the side of the road when approached by local law enforcers. Has anyone seen Teejay's new haircut? The owner lane dancehall artist Teejay has removed his mane and now rocking a fresh fade with low cut, properly dyed in black, giving his fans a fresh summer appeal. Take a look at a few pictures of his new haircut. Mocha Fest was a hit, but was it worth it for Rick's Cafe? A jam-packed Mocha Fest at Rick's Cafe in the Grill made several promoters, citizens, and entertainers ring the bell of unfair treatment due to an entertainment fast that the country is going through because of the current pandemic restraints implemented by the government to control the spike in COVID-19 cases. Rick's Cafe was then ordered to close on May 28th, given that it was the venue for said party Mocha Fest. They have now been granted the ability to reopen, and charges were laid on the Rick's Cafe manager, Conroy Barrett, who was in charge while Mocha Fest was happening on May 27th. He was charged for breaching the Spirit License Act and the Municipal Corporation Act by the Westmoreland Police. This week's new music comes from Yaksta with Assets and Emotions, featuring Nation Boss, Shano with On and Off Loyalty, also Aidonia with You Know the Vibe. Take a look.
I don't business with them, bro. I'm one rotted life for pencil. Land lease on me, I go get the fence round. Drop a container pan it, make sense down. No for eyeglass for drink or ends out. I put a truck on the road and went down. Broke, tell the beggars to me spend out. Asia good when the bush lads step down. I set over high dog, them name free. True contribution at NHD. So me can qualify for your loan. Use that money and purchase a home. My plan surpass A, B, and C. My granny old shop turn Airbnb. Foundation said grandbabies can feast. Make money while I sleep, man, me show you how me do it. Me go build a full book. Back a skill and run some gold book. Yeah, go to ocean, go take a load now. So put a vaccine on the road.
On and off loyalty. On and off, on and off. On and off loyalty. On and off, on and off. This minute you real, next minute you fake. This minute you pass me, next minute you heal. On and off loyalty. On and off. See the vehicle wiper, it beat just like like you back and forth. All the people like couldn't figure sleep at night. On the conscience must make one leap and nice. After one to do to Julius and Jesus Christ and sell gap if peace and rice. Anytime me see them, me keep one eye wide open. Channel say energy drain, I can't come thief your light. High voltage, try don't escape your life. They tell me about your G for life. I just want equalize when they did that.
Time link up a gal and pick her up in our time. How we roll me no left it big matty for me deliver a t-shirt cover man. You know the vibe, you know the vibe. Cruise on the ride with a cute trophy wife. You know the vibe. 100 on the highway, roll out the thing, them Jade say it's a nice day. 30 minutes take we from Kingston, got to Highgate. Air Force, one cut jeans, match the climate. Portland, dip on the beach with the fine date. Phone dip on silent, D for want to vibrate. No time waste, to my place, she wine waste. Tell her say me hotter than a fireplace. You know the vibe, you know the vibe, you know the vibe, you know the vibe, you know the vibe.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, this individual. Happy birthday to you. This week's birthday shout out goes to Vibes Cartel wife, Tanisha Shorty Johnson. Have a happy birthday and just big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at pbcjamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy, as per usual, for my lovely earrings. And remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all social media platforms. Just remember, always and forever, big up you!